back to...
Will you go get the cat litter for me, please?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. So, yeah, that's how I'm going to start my vlogs. Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. I got a gallon of glue. I got some borax. And I got some food coloring from the dollar store. All of this stuff. So, I'm going to be doing like a dollar store like slime challenge kind of. What I'm going to do is make slime with only dollar store ingredients. So I have to go get something and I'll be right back. Peace out, guys. Okay, guys. So,
you can do the rant for your YouTube video.
Nah, I'll do it later.
Okay.
Okay. So later we're gonna ramp his thing for the YouTube video. But change of plans. I'm just going to use some detergent so it will smell okay. Actually, no. I'll just make some borax. I'll be our B guy. Well, can't find the borax, so we're just gonna be using some detergent that I got from the dollar store. At least I got it from the dollar store. So yeah. I have some food coloring, like I said. I have some of this glue, which I've used before, and it worked because it was a dollar store slime kit. Sorry, my pants are falling down. It was a dollar store slime kit. So yeah, I did that. I did it $100 slime challenge versus $1 slime challenge on Vlog Days, my old channel. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And I'm going to take the thing off. Here, I'll just... I'm going to make like a little slit in it so I can just pour out as much as I want to. So,
Yeah, where's the big path?
I'm just going to be making a little slime. There. And I got a straw to mix with. So here's as much glue as I got. Here, you guys can't see that. Oh, Lordy, have mercy. That's as much glue as I got. I don't know if you can see that because my camera face on my camera is turned around. So, and I'm too lazy to look at it. So.
Where's Taylor, Allie?
Outside.
Taylor!
Out back. Pretty sure. Sorry, guys.
They were outside. I mean, they're probably in a dollar store sale. Taylor! Come here now.
Just kidding. And my pants keep falling down. Oh, so if you guys didn't know, what I do before I make my slime is I mix my glue. Or I could use these paints that I got from the dollar store, which they're really pretty. I got them in like a slime kit. I didn't get them today though. I'm just gonna use food coloring since I got it today. I just wait till like there's a lot of bubbles in it. Even if it's clear slime, just makes the slime way better. I think. I don't know how like it does. I just think it does. I don't know. I really wish I knew where my borax was, so I could actually make a good slime. But I don't. I'm going to use all the colors because I know how to make this like a really vibrant color. It's really, not vibrant, pastel color. It's really pretty. So what I do is I put 1, 2 drops, no, 3, sorry. That was accidentally 4. But I normally put 3 drops of red food coloring. 1 drop of 1 drop of blue.
There's a speedo
No, but I'm keeping some of this.
Yeah, I know, but he's just, yeah.
Okay,
you
sorry
have-
for the background noise, guys.
Hey, Taylor,
And then I put
this here, look.
Okay,
a little bit of
I'll be right
green
back.
on the straw. And then I do the same thing for the yellow, like a little bit on the straw. Oh, shoot. I don't know why my brothers are arguing, but it's okay. Okay, and then I mix. My brothers are arguing about batteries. Oh, I didn't put enough blue because I can tell it's turning into a pink. Sometimes I have to put more blue.
Mom! Jackie, it's taking like all my
There it is.
batteries.
Sorry, guys. So I finally got the color that I wanted. I'm just gonna have to like mix it up more because it's not at the bottom. It's white at the bottom. I got some lotion at the dollar store too, but I don't know if I should use it. I mean, not lotion, soap. I'll just go get it. So I can pour it in there. Pants keep falling down. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, here it is. Let me pour some in there. Ow.
Okay,
Water
Alex,
for
it will fill you up for you to
There we go.
go.
Be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. So, whoa. Wow, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh. When you try to scoot your chair over and then you fall over. So just let me mix it in. It looks black. Well, it is black, but like, well, no, it's gray. In the slime, it looks like black. Oh, it's making it smell so good. Okay. I'm gonna put the food coloring up. Oh, I think this might actually be, no, because I did my first vlog last night. Okay, so it's starting to bubble up, so yeah. I'm gonna add some detergent now. Starting to make slime. I was gonna add some water, but I'll add water to a different one. Because I'm gonna make a lot of slime tonight. Look how much I only used. I don't know if you can see it, but I only used like that much. And it looks like I used, like, it's not like a big slime, but it looked like I used a lot compared to that. I need to pour a lot in there because, like, there's only like one part of it that's activating. It's kind of weird. I don't really know if like the shampoo is mixing with the what's it called? Glue. So I think like this is like shampoo. And it's not, that's glue. I can definitely tell. So I don't really know what's happening. I need to pause the video so I can come back when it's finished. But I can't do that because here, wait. I don't want to get my camera all dirty with slime. That just works. Here, wait. There's slime that's open. Okay. Finally, it's done. And like for you guys, it took like not even a second. But for me, it took so long. I can't even explain how long it took. Because, like, I put too much activator in it. Of course, because, well, it wasn't my fault. My brother came over when the camera was off. Here was my bowl. There's still activator in there. You can tell. I was pouring the activator into the bowl, and then he pushed the activator over, so like I had to get more activator because he dumped all of it in. But yeah, so it's horrible. It's a horrible slime. Oh yeah. I know how to help slime without like putting any ingredients in it. I mean, like, I'm not cheating when I put hot water in it, am I? That's what normal people would ask. But me, I took the water bottles that we got from the dollar store, poured it into a bowl, warmed it up. So it's not cheating. Bam! Bam. Okay. I'm gonna grab a bag for this. And then we're gonna make some more slime. Sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna pause it because I'm too lazy, so just look at my slime. It's really pretty, isn't it? Yeah, it's very pretty. Okay. Okay, got the bags. But I'm gonna like move you guys forward so you can see me like making slime like in action better. And me playing with slime. That's better. Hi guys! So yeah. I think it's better like this. Hi guys! Yeah, it's better. What was that? Hi guys! Yeah, it's better. Okay. So yeah. It's not very clicky. Bubble test. What's good? Pretty good for dollar store slime. No, I'm just kidding. That was horrible. I'm sorry, dollar store slime, but you're horrible. Because of me. That's what I do. You're welcome. Okay, so. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I also got lotion and shampoo. Wait, no, I told you shampoo because I put shampoo in here. So I can also put some lotion in the next one that I'm going to make. Because it's just going to be a white slime with water, or it might be yellow. I'm contemplating on yellow, green, or white. I'm going to do green, like a mint green. What's that? Like a mint green. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay. Here's a bowl. I found a bowl. Okay. So. How can I not open this? Where'd that towel go?
Wait, what time would it be an hour and a half?
Here it is.
Shit, cutie.
Oh, why are you being so loud, boy?
Yeah,
Okay.
Ow, look how funny this is.
it'll be 6:30. When you're done doing that, I need you to go out and ask the boys what they want to eat.
Wow, my brother got it muddy, his thing.
Yeah,
Oh, wait, guys. Found some borax. I'm going to go make borax solution.
He might call a guy. I don't think you can kill the mud, but it's muddy. See all that? That all mud. Can you see my hand now?
Did you unpause it, dude?
Yeah.
You did?
Mhm.
did you end the video? Did you unpause it or end the video?
I unpaused it.
Oh yeah, he did. Hi guys. Okay, so why did you unpause my video? Now they're just staring at nothing. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello, ugly, my old friend.
Hello, ugliness, my old friend. Oh wait, I've never lost that friend because I am ugly. Yay! And have been ever since I was born.
Allie, look how muddy it is. Allie, look how muddy. Shh.
What happened?
I burned myself on the load.
Oh, don't burn yourself. I'm not being sarcastic. Don't burn yourself. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I would like to see you again. I'm trying to get this open, like all the way, because I don't want to like do it small anymore. Okay.
But I need to clean it. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So I have a cap in here. I forgot that I had this. And I'm going to pour one whole cap into
That changes that
water.
yellow for kids.
So, okay. I'm just going to mix with this spoon since I already have it. I'm going to make this one like really small. Come on, come out, glue. Oh gosh. Okay. I want wings!
I'm getting 15 Taco Buffalo wings.
Can I get 25 so I can share them?
Mom, can I get
25 boneless.
Whatever's the cheapest for mommy.
Okay, but I want boneless buffalo.
because I want one for black chicken too, okay, Mom?
We'll see.
Me too.
Mom, I'm not going to get anything if you don't give me my own cat.
Let's take the lid off this. Actually, I'm gonna make like a red slime, like a very dark red, instead of like mint green. I think that's good. Because like when you use red food coloring, it like makes it pink. Oh, it's like bloody. Blood. Boy, this is actually a really pretty color. It's like a pinkish reddish. This is beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, I love this. And I'm going to add some yellow so it can be like orange. I really like the color already, but I'm just going to add some yellow because I want to. Okay, so there's the yellow. Will it make a difference? I don't think so. This is like the prettiest color I've ever seen in my life. You guys can't see how pretty it is. Like, it's kind of pretty on camera, but like, oh my gosh, it's way prettier in real life. Like, oh my gosh. So much prettier in person, because this is real life. Like, no, I'm just a spirit. Like, and this is just fake. It's not real life. What am I doing? Here, I'll just mix it up with this straw. The borax. And then I'll grab it out with this cup thing. That was a lot. My dad is working on my dog's dog house. And he's outside, so if you hear like everybody coming in, they're like helping him with stuff. Like if he needs a screwdriver, but it's inside in the toolbox, like the only one that he needs is in the toolbox. Like they have to come and get it. Well, no, he has a toolbox out there, like a big toolbox with everything in it, like everything. I'm not even kidding. Like probably like his screw battery. I had to like get him that like millions of times because he's gonna finish this dog house tonight. Because he's been working on it for a long time because we've had like stuff to do. So yeah, I'm gonna make this slime and I'll be back. This slime will be finished. Hold on, let me. Slime will be finished in 3, 2, 1. Ah, here it is. I love this slime. Oh yeah. Oh. Sorry, that was horrible. Okay, so I have slime all over my hands. That's one of my #1 like pet peeves. So is one finger poking. So yeah. Here's my slime. It's a beautiful color off camera. And on camera, I guess. It's very, very beautiful. Like, trust me. It might just be how it looks, and then when I like upload it to YouTube, then it might be better. So let's do a poke test. Passes the poke test. Let's do stretch test. Passes the stretch test. Let's do pop test. Okay. Well, let's call that. Yeah, here, let's try that again. Let's do crackle-ackle test. Passes the crackle-ackle test, definitely. I don't even know if you guys heard it that well, but like pops every time I squeeze it. So, last but definitely not least, bubble test. Passes the bubble test. Pretty good. Pretty good for a slime from Dollar Store. So, like, I love this. Like, this is my favorite slime ever in the whole wide world. No, I'm just kidding. But still, I love. Sorry, that was just horrible. It was meant to be horrible on purpose. But like still. Oh my God! It was dripping all over my pants. So I'm going to end the video here, guys, even though I'm going to make more slime. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you guys. I'm going to do, my new intro is, hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. And my outro is, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. Now time for question of the day. So that's my outro. So I just did my outro, so I'm not going to do it again. But, question of the day is, which slime do you think is prettier? This one or this one. This one or this one. Like, in person, this one is my favorite, like this one. This is number 1. If you like this one better, this is number 1, like, for, the color. This is number 1. This is number 2. Okay, peace out, love y'all.